Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Not only did we break a heat record for today in Redmond, we broke heat records for several of us here in Central Oregon for the hottest day this year. We still see a few clouds in the sky. These should begin to gradually leave, as well as a gradual cool down. Before that, however, we have some heat advisories still in place. The two that we've been watching mostly here in Central Oregon is this heat advisory that includes Sisters, Sun River, and La Pine tonight until 8 o'clock, and then the excessive heat warning for the rest of Central Oregon tonight until 8 o'clock as well. And then the fire weather watch, that has not changed. It is now still in effect until Friday at 8 o'clock. Looking at the satellite radar, you can see mostly clear skies are in our forecast. There's nothing coming out behind the ones that we already see here, and breezes tonight should help clear out our skies, and we could stay clear for the rest of the week, at least at this point. Tonight's winds are this is a really good example, 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 out of the northwest. Tomorrow we'll see lighter sustained winds, just a little bit gustier with 20 miles per hour. Here's where we are. Redmond went up another degree, 104 in Redmond right now. Our record was 101 today. In 2019, obviously Bend in the hundreds, Burns, Baker City, Pendleton, the Dalles, and Medford. We all are in those triple digits. We're also seeing those hot temperatures at other places here. I'll show you that in a moment. Tomorrow, we begin a cool down. We're still above average. We're still in the 90s. We're still going to be hot. By my opinion, it's just the start of temperatures cooling off. Here we are with our gradual cool down. We get to 100 in Bend and Prineville and Madras today. 103, we've cooled off a degree in Redmond. 105 in Warm Springs. Tomorrow, those 90s. Tonight, we're just a slightly bit cooler than we were in a few areas, but for the most part, the same thing. Warm overnight tonight, and then the gradual cool down starts tomorrow. Here we're looking at 99 in Warm Springs, mid 90s in Redmond and Prineville, and Madras, low 90s for the rest of us. Here are those two systems we're watching. High pressure to our southeast, low pressure to our northwest. They move and shift just a little bit more, continuing to draw up this nice warm air into the Pacific Northwest. We stay hot above average all the way into the weekend. Here's the future track, and you can see those few clouds that we have. They push off to the northeast and a few over a couple of places on the Cascades, but mostly clear for us for the rest of this week. Forecast for our allergies, same for tonight, same for tomorrow. Not looking at much of a change for us, at least at this part of the day. Here's the 7-day forecast, that gradual cool down. Saturday, low 90s. Sunday, high 80s. A couple days in the low 80s, then we're back to average on Wednesday.